Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable the simplified view for web pages on Chrome using your mobile device. If you've noticed that certain websites look a bit stripped down or plain while browsing, that's because Chrome's simplified view automatically tries to make pages easier to read. While it can help with clutter, sometimes it hides design elements and interactive features you want to see. Let's turn it off for a full browsing experience. First, open the Chrome app on your phone. This works the same whether you're on Android or iOS. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. That's the menu icon that gives you access to more settings and options. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This will open a list of all the preferences that control how Chrome works on your device. Next, find the section called Accessibility. Tap it to open. Inside Accessibility, you'll see a feature called Simplified View for web pages. It's usually a toggle switch that controls whether Chrome automatically offers a simpler layout whenever you visit articles or blog pages. To disable it, just switch that toggle off. When the button turns gray or moves to the left, that means the feature is now turned off. After that, you can simply back out of the settings menu and start browsing again. You'll notice that websites now display their full layout exactly as the designers intended.